Alright, what up guys? I'm at a friend's house right now, and I figure I'd get a quick video of the air conditioners. They are both Yorks. I don't know, I don't know what year they're from, but they're both Yorks, and I believe they're both 3 tons. Sorry about that, but anyway, so here is the only one that is running right now. This is the this is the upstairs unit that is running right now. This is a York. Get this out of there. That was stuck in there. Anyway, this is the downstairs York air conditioner running right now. Like I said, I believe they're both 3 tons, and I think they're from the early 2000s. I have a hard time reading the data sheets on these units. But then here's the upstairs. They actually have the air in the upstairs off, and they have the air on the downstairs on. Why? I have no idea. But this is it. Yeah, you can see it's kind of in a weird area. It's like kind of in the side of the house, and it's by this concrete wall. And they're actually in a really creepy area. Like, to me, this area looks really creepy. But these are the units, both Yorks from the early 2000s. The downstairs unit, the downstairs 3-ton unit is running right now, and they're both matched up to the original York gas furnaces. By the way, these units are original to the place. This place was built in the early 2000s, and I believe these are from the early 2000s. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.